Sales leaders, you want to know one of the most powerful things that you can do in your one-on-ones? We'll talk about that in just a second. My name is Gary Braun, and I'm with Pivotal Advisors. And this one little tip has done wonders for many sales leaders in all industries. It doesn't even matter. So first, let's define what is a good one-on-one, and then we'll talk about this tip. So a good one-on-one, most one-on-ones, I wouldn't even call them effective one-on-ones, they're deal reviews. It's, okay, tell me what's going on with the Johnson account, and are you going to get this? Is it going to come in this month? Okay, what's going on with that one? Oh, you got some trouble. Let's talk about how we strategize on that deal. And we just go line item by line item through all the deals. That's not a good one-on-one. A good one-on-one is focused on performance. Our role as sales leaders is not to tell them what to do. That is not what we're supposed to do. It's not one-way reporting of them to us. Instead, our role is to provide them with guidance, help develop them, hold them accountable and focused on what they should be doing, coach them, make them better. That's really what our job is in a one-on-one. So when we go in and we recommend what to do in one-on-one, we start with data. Let's look at what the plan is and where you're at and what is the data telling us. And when I can tell them you're behind on your numbers or you don't have enough activity, no, that's not our job. Our job is to have them show us where the data is and ask them questions. So what is this telling you? What do you think you need to do more? Geez, my close rate is below the other people. You're right. Why do you think that is? And we ask them questions. We develop them. We get them going. That's what a good one-on-one is. So here's the tip I came back to. Simple little thing we call MITs, most important things. So we come to the end of a one-on-one and we go, okay, what are your MITs for the week? You have to explain to them what that is, but what are the 3 or 4 or 5 things that are most important that they get done this week? And that can be, I need to find 2 more opportunities. I need to close this deal. I need to get that proposal out. I need to find a new networking partner. Whatever it happens to be, you talk about it. And if you agree on what those things are, you go, perfect, those are your MITs. Let me write them down. And we've got them. And you both agree on what they are. And next week, what happens? The very first thing we talk about is, how did you do on your MITs? It is the most basic accountability thing that you can do, but they make progress. They know if I'm going to come back and I have to present to you, did I get my MITs done? Guess what? They get their most important things done. And that's all we're trying to do is keep them focused on the right thing. If they're doing it, we're all positive. We are all reinforcing. If they didn't do it, we're talking about, okay, you said they were the most important things, but you didn't get them done. Let's talk about why so we don't keep getting into this pattern. Hugely impactful tool, free, just a simple technique, MITs. If you haven't tried it before, try it. I can guarantee this will help your salespeople stay focused and make progress. If you like this video, please click like or subscribe to our channel. We would love that as well. If you want to talk to us more about how we've implemented it or how it's worked for other companies, we would love to talk to you about that. Go to our website at pivotalitadvisors.com. You can also check us out on all the social media platforms. Appreciate you watching. Hope to see you again.